how to post story on Snapchat. Now let's jump straight into the process. Open your Snapchat. Here we go. Now you have to select the photo or video that you want to put in your Snapchat story. You can easily click it, or you can also select it from your memories of Snapchat or camera roll. If you want to select the photo or video from your Snap memories or camera roll, tap on this icon. Here you can find the Snap memories and camera roll option. You can select it from here as well. But for now, I'm gonna just click it. At the right corner, you can see different options. You can use this for editing. After you are done, tap on send to. Now here you can see this option of my story. You have to tap on this small circle, tap on this arrow given at the bottom right corner, and it is done. Now you can go to your profile and check it out. Scroll down, you can see this option of my story, tap on it, and you can see that I have just easily uploaded story on my Snapchat. In this way, you can easily upload story on Snapchat. At the end, if you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Comment down below what you guys want to see in upcoming videos. Thank you.